How to create a Jeopardy quiz. This is the first screen for the tutorial. It will include on the storyboard the images that will input, the design, the audio, and the narration. Plus in the black is which type of multiple intelligence this will handle. Use the PowerPoint to create a Jeopardy quiz show. You will use hyperlinks from the home slide. The home slide are the slides the contestants select a category from and a dollar amount. Each money value and category will be linked to an answer, then to the question. After the answer and question have been shown, you will create a hyperlink that returns you to the home slide. The second slide also tells you how to create the table and categories. This slide will also show images, the design, and the audio, which is this voiceover. The narration includes, it says open Microsoft PowerPoint, go to the hyperlink tab, and click the down arrow in New Slide. Choose title and content. Type in the heading for the slide. Now, go to the Insert tab and click on Table. This will bring up a grid asking for you to select the number of rows and columns. Make a 4x4 table. We will return to the slide later to enter categories and dollar amounts. And once again, in the black is what type of learner this would benefit. The third slide for this tutorial is the question and problem slides that you need to create. Once again, this is just a storyboard, so it includes an outline of the images, the design, and the audio, and the narration. And in the black is which group of multiple learners this would benefit the most. You will need to create duplicate slides for all of your answers and questions. Since you have a 4x4 table, you will need 12 answers and 12 question slides to go with them, for a total of 24. You can duplicate the slides by right-clicking the slide in the slide view at the left. There will be a choice to duplicate. Each of the answer slides and question slides will need to have a hyperlink to jump to the correct slide. To create a hyperlink, go to Insert and click Hyperlink. Choose Place in this document, and then choose the slide you want to jump to. Lastly, click OK. My fourth slide is going to give a detail, basically a storyboard for the detail on how to jump to the tutorial, which is written in Jing. So the images will be the Jing video and the hyperlink for it. The design, the audio are all covered on this storyboard, and then the narration. In black, once again, you have which type of learners would benefit the most, according to the multiple intelligence. Now, you will need to click on the hyperlink, and it will take you to a Jing video that will show you all the steps that have been modified in this tutorial. In today's class, we're going to learn how to make a Jeopardy board for one of our ending extra credit projects in the human body. I went ahead and took the liberty of already having a board here, but I'm going to walk you through how I did that. The first thing I did is I went to New Slide. I clicked on New Slide, and what comes up is some different themes. You can do lots of different themes. The one I chose here is Title and Content. I chose Title and Content because I needed a title and content below it. Since I've already chosen that, what I did here is, once I did the title, I chose a font and a size. I also chose different colors I could put in here. For our purposes, though it's already typed in, I also centered it so that it would be in the center. You can send it to one side, the other side, or center it, and I chose to center it. Now, to get the content down below, what I did is go to Insert, and you can click on Table. When you click on Table, you can drag your mouse and make the table as big as you want. 9 by 7. What I did is I did a 4 by 4. And then, of course, when you type in on the 4 by 4, the squares will get bigger, and you can drag them to get bigger also. Since I already chose that, I'm going to get out of there. And that's the table I chose. Once you choose the table, you can highlight the whole section, change the color, and when you highlight it, you go back to Home. You can choose to center things just like before, not center things. And as you can see, I didn't highlight the bottom here, so everything I highlighted will switch over, everything I didn't will stay where it is. I like it in the center, so I'll keep it there. Now, once I've done that, I wanted some artwork and clip art to go in these different sections. I haven't put anything in respiratory, so I'll show you how I did that. What you do is you go to Insert, Clip Art, which was already open, so I'll click it again, open it. And this time, instead of circulatory system, I'm going to type respiratory system. You hit, make sure you're on all media files, and hit go. Now what will come up is some pictures. Sometimes it takes a while to find the clip art. And actually in this case it doesn't say anything was found. So what I might try is typing in lungs. So lungs do come up. Since lungs are the respiratory system, what I'll do is I'll drag that picture over. It's a little too big, so I'm going to have to resize it. Once you get it to the correct size, you just drag and drop it, and you let go. Now I have that. And that's some images you can put there. Now the other thing you'll notice is I have dollar amounts, just like the Jeopardy game. Categories and dollar amounts going down. Now you notice these dollar amounts are different. What I did is I created hyperlinks on these. These have not. So what I'm going to show you is how to make a hyperlink. I want to be able to, when the contestant asks for circulatory $100, I want them to be able to go to the answer. So I'm going to highlight that, go up to Insert again, go over to Hyperlink, and when Hyperlink comes up, it'll give you some different options. The option I want is Place in this document. Now when I place in this document, what I want to look for is alveoli. Alveoli is the third slide, as you can see here. So when I click on it, I want it to automatically go to this slide. So I hit OK. So now what happens if I'm playing this slideshow, my slide comes up and I say, Alex, I want circulatory system for 100. So I click on the 100 and what comes up is alveoli. That's the answer. Now when you play Jeopardy, you're looking for the question, or you have to give them the question. I didn't set that up yet, so let me show you how to set that up. Now I want to make a hyperlink here. So once again, I highlight it, go up to Insert, insert a hyperlink. Now this time I want to take myself to slide 4, so I click slide 4, hit OK. Let's play this one more time. Alex, I like circulatory for 100. Okay, circulatory. The answer is alveoli. And then you give, of course, the question. Check to see if the question is correct. It says what are small thin sacs, etc. Now let's say you got the question right. You're going to go here. You're going to put your score in here. And that way you can keep track of the different players that are playing the game. Once you put in the score, click on here and it'll take you all the way back to the game board. And once again, you can click on any of these other ones. These have not had hyperlinks made to them. And that's essentially how you'd make a Jeopardy game board. Thank you.